session with Ceredigion Active. We're going to play a game this afternoon of noughts and crosses. The equipment that you need, I've got some tea towels down here to show the grid, so I put 9 tea towels down, and then over here I've got either t-shirts, yellow or green t-shirts, toilet rolls we can use, and I've got some white and black socks for there. And the aim of the game is competitively move up to the grid and trying to get 3 in a row across, vertically or diagonally. A wedyn, rock, paper, scissors i gweld pwy sy'n mynd yn gynta. Okay, Millie, ti'n mynd yn gynta. 3, 2, 1, out! Symud mor gloi yn ei gallu, a Nelly cael 3 mewn res. Os ydyn ni'n redeg mas, ni'n cadw fynd, a gallwn ni newid 1 ar y tro. Nôl y ti. Pretty warm today, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water. So the two are going to go at the same time. Okay? Make sure you come back to the starting point before you go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Glide, and then we overtake her. She's going to overtake you. Hey. Right, a couple of variations on the game. This time, every time Stefan and Millie go back to the start, they're going to do 3 start. We can do either a squat, spotty dog, star jump, which we'll be doing. Lots of examples in the videos we've done previously. Are we ready? Okay, so 3, 2, 1, go. Remember your star jumps when you get back. 3 star jumps. Proper star jumps, please. Remember, plenty of water. For the last one, I put some socks down at the beginning here for them to go through before they arrive at the grid. They're going to have to do a variety of skills, amrywiaeth o sgiliau cyn penderfynu ble I dod i'r offer sydd gyda nhw. Ni'n mynd I wneud traed chwim. We're going to do fast feet. They could be hopping, jumping, sideways, whichever way you choose to do. Okay, are we ready? 3, 2, 1, out. Fast feet, use your arms. I am, excellent. Where's that, Steph?
Second on the right.
Thanks for joining us this afternoon for this activity. Remember to go onto our YouTube channel at Ceredigion Active to see all of the lessons so far.